Why do we like chocolate so much?
So here's Q&A. Every time we're going to question something curiously and we're gonna have amazing and satisfying answers for that.
There are some people in the world whose first aid kit would include a bar of chocolate, other than the fact that it tastes very good. It also ends up making you feel better. There are a reason why women are shown eating chocolate when sad in TV shows and movies. But what is the reason behind the chocolate affecting us in such a way? To begin with, a lot of chocolates contain sugar that wakes us up, make us feel more alert and refreshed. However, even if you keep the sugar aside, plain chocolate is known to contain a chemical called Anand Amida that also exists in our brain naturally. This chemical is what makes us feel happy. When the chocolate is being produced, this Anand Amida breaks down, but it manages to enhance the effects of the natural Anand Amida in our brain, making us feel positive and cheerful almost 4 times longer than usual. Now you can significantly explain your chocolate cravings.